Hello, trading is closed on April 19th. My last calls, I was looking for lower prices, which we got. We had this as a possible end of the up leg. That really remains to be seen. During the day, MEJT said ultimately higher prices would print, which they did, but it also said prices would retrace to this line, which they did. Afternoon gave us an ultimate sell, ultimate buy in the same pattern. Usually when that happens over the next hour, you go no place, sometimes more than an hour. Marked this move as false and said prices would retrace. The ultimate sell has been satisfied, but almost always we get more than this, almost always. So optionally, we should undercut today's low. Doesn't have to be tomorrow. This is actually positive action. We gapped down, hit all kinds of new lows, closed over all of them. Not only do we close over all these lows, we even closed over this one. So all this big selling didn't really accomplish anything because it didn't stick. Tomorrow's pattern's the one with the early high, has a strong tendency to rally all day and close near the high. It's particularly true on a Friday. So things are looking good for higher prices tomorrow. The one thing that would kill it would be if we gapped down and promptly undercut this low. If that doesn't happen, we should trade up, and that's today's call.